Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. My uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan, people, morning. How is everybody doing this fine Friday morning? You know, enough people supposed to have kid them teeth because today I pay day. You understand me? Enough people supposed to feel like they don't ever want to do no work today. They just want to go collect them pay and do what them got to do for themselves and their family. Big up on a nice independent self every time. But people more give me a look 2 cents per hour. Me see the cocoa walk Haga babe last night. No man, she have to take down sick today. She can't come live today none at all. He have to take down sick. Probably start wear about the heart monitor. Me say people, the woman she cuss. And me say, when she's done cuss, me say in horse. No, sir. You can't say you're the out of social media for almost 20 years. And you don't understand how the media run. You're weak to the media. You have to answer to heavy Jesus thing. You're weak. You're a weak fence. You're a weak rat. Eh? And your own mouth is going to be a downfall. You see, just like how it make you fall right now. You see, when you go finally by your face, and you know say, all the foul are confirm. You know say your mouth make you go down the ground completely. Imagine you claim to say you come out here, right? And you ask for support to buy fridge for the school where your sister work. So, you know, you claim to say how people are trying to beat down your thing, then why you get no support, and how Dana gets come out and come and beg things to people, and Dana get support from people. So why you know if you come ask you no support? Why you keep on a call Dana name in your mouth when you chat to sitting them? You know chat where you chat, man. Why you have to call Dana name after Dana no business with what you are do? You understand? Are you cause yourself get the support out here because what? You come out here and you call people non-emancipated black Negroes and you say you're rich. So therefore nobody not think you would come out of social media and ask for no form of money to buy nothing at all. Seeing that the school want a fridge, why don't you take that money from your rich pocket and buy it for the school? But only for me hear people over there, yeah, to Rcia, they'll say, oh, your sister, you want to buy a fridge for her. Father God, come down if you don't be busy. Girl, me hear over people, yeah, they must say, you want the fridge for your sister, true? Huh? I wonder if that's true. But even if so be the case, Curly, you of all persons not supposed to come out here come beg nothing because you say you're rich, you're a celebrity, and certain things where you can afford, we Jamaicans cannot afford it. So you're supposed to take every dollar from your pocket and do what you do. You're not supposed to come out here come and beg. Me tell you, say, that's why you don't like Miss Dana, you know, because of the support where she get out here. And that's why you're not going to like her. You understand me? And you sit down and you watch her platform, you watch the support what she get from her people. You watch the lifestyle what she live and you try to live it and you cannot live it. You see, your mouth is going to be your downfall. You see, if you did come out of social media and just humble yourself and not pretend to be somebody who you are not, you would have worked out better for you right now. You see, if you never come out here and you wish death upon people, you curse people pitney, you try to bring down people business, you body shame people, you try to slander people name and then something there. So that's why nothing now work out for you. Nobody now go look your way to help you. And you sit down and you watch the support where Dana get. Dana never tell your platform people them not to help you, and your mouth cause yourself in not getting any support. Your big thinking mouth cause it. You have to behave like your braggadocious and fantabulous, and you not got nothing at all. And I try put on people. And that's why if you look at shit business, you have to pack up everything. Pack up everything because nobody now support you because of your mouth. You chat too much. People, me say she can't come on today. The rate of how she behaved last night, me say she cannot come on today. And if he do come on, me I tell him if you go talk very slow because in what's up. No, sir. Me say everything you have to come out of your hands. You're weak like a rat. You can't tell by yourself every day. But come to think of it, uncle, me no hear say a liar tell say your sister a teacher over the school where you look the fridge for. Me hear say as she do the janitor work over there. And so me I hear over people yard me loves me I walk a fast. Cause you know so they can't take me from fast. Cause me go where me want go and fast so me want fast. You understand me? But me get to understand say a liar tell say your sister a teacher. Then master then what make you have to come tell them my brother lie there. Then if your sister did look at the janitor over the school will help clean up and do them or something there. I mean nothing wrong with that. Our honest bread she work for. You know if you come tell them my brother lie there, mama. If you come big up yourself. No, sir. But one thing me I say, me no know why make one time you attack your corals them, you attack your bangarang them. Why you got to call Auntie D name in it? After the woman no response for you and your business. The woman not turn the black her eye. She over our platform and chat to her plank of them at the daytime and I enjoy herself. And only if you see her drag her name and a chat her sort of something. For what reason after the woman not look for your way? Me say your mouth cause you not get no support out here. You chat too much. You go down a cocoa walk, go cuss off the MP. Because according to you claim to say the MP is not doing enough work down there for the people. And you actually go a cocoa walk over 20 years or 20 years and claim to say you give back to the community. Right? Once every blasted year you come cook like a food for the people. So when time you cook the one time for the people for the year, so then dead for you for the rest of the year until you come back. Eh? Why not donate the fridge to the school out of your pocket? Make them say, alright then. She have work to be an MP because she can contribute the fridge towards the school. You come and you beg social media the fridge. Nobody not going to help you out with the fridge. Because you is too wicked. Don't ask the non-emancipated broke people them for no money. You're too out of order. Right? You can't keep nothing at all off of the media. You don't have no life outside of social media. Mr. All today, you're supposed to feel weak. You're supposed to can't work today due to how you go on last night. Me I wonder if you have on the heart monitor right now. Your blood pressure supposed to run up. Me say somebody in the comment section that tell her if you mind her pressure. Me say that time she reel up. That time in kick up dust and tell him if you go on. And how she now watch no pressure. Then somebody out. Another blogger could have met me a carry on the way how me see you carry on last night. You must be mad to clot. And worse, me don't know this a blogger, yeah? Eh? Why you feel like you have your answer to everything out here? Me say, that's why then you know your kin like a silver ticks because everything you got to answer, you have to come and justify every Jesus thing. And you see your mouth, me say you chat too much. You look a mouth, you look a sour mouth, you chat too much. You not keep nothing private, just like how you come to Jamaica. You understand me? Discreetly if you come sue we. Right? You know, should I just simple keep your cook out discreetly as well between you and your family member. You have to come out and dash out. Oh, me did keep this, and me did keep that. You can't keep down nothing. And you know to God say every event where you keep it flap. You know, say everything you keep, it is flap. So me don't know why you never keep the cook out to yourself. But Cocoa Walk people, this is your next MP. The big disgraceful Rcia Campbell pan social media. This is your next MP. People, me don't know what you say now doing, but if you say now elect this a woman have to be MP, dog, nyam, uno supper. Remember me tell you no. People, please remember to subscribe, like and share and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell for know when Pinky posts a video. Wanna go check on Curly there for me. Supposed to have on the heart monitor right now. And blood pressure must have gone right up to a sky high. No sir. You need help, curl. Bad too. Curly, one question I want to ask you before me go, sir. Then how you go run for MP for Cocoa Walk and them let out all your secret out of social media? But this don't make no sense. The NSC say a perfect shame and disgrace they want to call down by you. Because the people them a chat you out here. So how you go run for this vicinity here? Eh? You feel like a little cook out where you do the people rate you? Oh my. Big news. These people do not rate you because they may let out the whole of your secret out of social media, so I don't know where you go. Want to go sit down here? You need to go rent one apartment and start do some little cooking show. Because remember you claim to say you can't cook, you know. So why you not going to do that? Because social media life now work out for you, you know. And all the shame and disgrace come down for you out here. Father God, help Curly. Because only you alone can help her.